Okay, I'm on 30 now. This is crazy.
I'm scared to pass this dog.
Chico, get away from her, or I'll beat the hell out of you.
It's on the couch.
Chico, get off the couch before I eat your nuts off.
Your brother's choking on fries.
Oh, I got it.
Your brother is choking on fries.
Nico, quit it.
He is.
Oh, another one behind that tree.
Does he always do this if you choke?
Holy smokes. Better look, watch yourself, Nico. It's be loud.
Hey,
What?
help me.
I can't. I'm doing a video right now. Get Nico to do it for you.
Bro, he's smaller than me.
Chico, come here. Chico, come here.
Not listening to you.
Oh my goodness. How many flashes we keep getting? Like 10 or 11? Nico, count how many flashes we got. Like 10 out of 2 or 12? I think 12. That's 13.
Aw, you're so smart.
Just looking at you. Look.
Can you just help me?
Yes, here.
No, he's gonna bite me.
Go play over there.
No,
Get your little butt over there. Show your little butthole.
Okay, I'm just gonna stay.
Yeah, stay right there. If you need help again, just call me, okay?
Jacob!
Jacob,
Bye.
leave Nico's fries alone. I'll turn you into a fry.
How will you turn him into a fry?
Don't know. I throw him in the clouds. Just kidding. Holy smokes, this is crazy, man. Is he scaring you again?
He just jumped across me.
He did?
Look, he's right there now.
Oh my god, are you kidding me?
What?
The wind knocked down another garbage can.
Mine?
No, the other neighbors. Holy. Oh, the gray one fell one. First they picked up the blue one, now the gray one? I'm afraid there will be a tornado in this town.
There,
Because if there's a tornado in the town, they will destroy the whole town.
no. This town. No, Dobby, it won't. It should go away.
Yeah, it will easy go away, right?
Yeah.
Holy
Hugo,
smokes.
Come to the, come to,
Hi, Isaiah.
come to the, bar.
Oh my god!
Go to the houses. You see that one?
Yeah, I got it. Did you see I got on camera?
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Till I say stop.
Oh, that's like 14 flashes now. This is very crazy.
Go.
Holy smokes.
Why did you just try to?
That's my friend Isaiah.
How old is he? 11.
He's 11.
Okay. You two are the same age. When's your birthday? May.
Actually, Nico, I'm 18.
Wait, am I older than you? Isaiah. My birthday.
How old are you, Angelica? You'll be 12, right?
Oh. Yeah, in September.
Aurora's birthday's on September.
Oh, I'm older than you.
Aurora's You know what's Aurora's birthday? It's
Why
on
am I older
September
than
8th.
this? I'm even older than Margaret.
I'm going to Aurora's party.
You're not ogre. Ogre. You're not older than. I'm not older than. Somebody wants. Yeah, I'm not older than Junior and Lauren.
What about
Guess what?
What about Mervin?
Mercedes is older than him. She's older than mine.
Are you watching the clouds or my camera?
My brothers are older than your brother.
This crazy, man. Oh, the sun's coming out. Look, the sun be coming out. We might have a rain.
Whoa.
Oh!
Don't just go past me, brother. I'm gonna kill you.
Do you see that?
Where's
I think that's like 20 flashes now. 30 over to 40.
There's a moon.
This crazy, man.
Oh, this should pass out. Yeah, when you said moon. Moon.
And I think we'll have more storms tonight. And tomorrow will be showers.
Wake up.
It's just rain tomorrow. No thunder.
Moon.
You wait for me in the room, Isaiah? Are you gonna wait for me in the room and I'll be right there? I'm just about done.
Wake up.
Oh. Please don't tell me there's gonna be more flashes.
I see your head.
The clouds are going that way now. I think the storm will be passing this way now. Now we're on the other side of the Side of Thompson.
Moon.
Ah! Ow! My head!
I see some birds flying in the clouds.
You're gonna die!
I saw birds.
Hey, chill. Chill. Moon.
Ah!
This is crazy. Oh, I got it.
Going to
Oh, Jolica, there's your mom and your sister.
Huh?
hit you!
Jolica, your mom's home already.
Yeah, sure. I know.
And your sister's home too.
Here?
Yeah.
Holy smokes. I'm gonna try the back door now. Let me just... Holy smokes, look at that.
What? Where's your tablet? Moon.
What, Nico's?
No, yours.
It's on my bed. And my password is 2004, okay?
Hey, chill. It's just a plane.
I'm gonna stand in the backyard. Whoa. Look at the clouds on that side now. That's like coming from this side now. This is really crazy. Whoa! Got it.
I've been in a dry land before.
I got a lot of flashes on camera all the time. This is damn crazy.
I've been in a dry land before. Nothing but lightning.
Oh, I'm afraid this is gonna be loud. Like we had that loud thunder on 2020 and it scared me. This is crazy, man. It started where that side right over there, where it started, when me, Isaiah, and Kaylee were playing outside, and it was starting to thunder now. And we went inside, and Kaylee went home, and yeah. Holy smokes! This is crazy, man. Oh, I got it! I got it on camera. Got that lightning on video. At least the rain's stopping now. Jesus, God!
Okay. Chill.
I saw that lightning. It was right over there where I just had the trees. This is just crazy.
There's something wrong with my stars.
That scared me.
Who, Chico?
Yeah.
Chico, don't do that, please. Be a good dog. Oh my God. It's still going, man. It will be over soon. Clouds are going that way now. Jesus. Oh, I got it. I got it. Got it. Holy smokes. That was crazy. Now we got purple lightning now.
Are you sure about that?
Go look outside, purple lightning.
No, that was me.
We have,
Hey, you wanna play Brookhaven?
yeah, soon, yeah. I'll be done.
Hey, then you could be our brother.
Uh-huh.
Older brother.
I just saw that lightning like right over there where...
Punch him in the game.
Really?
And in real life.
Oh, swing!
That was me. That was
We need, whenever we did this. Oh, do to me first. Oh. Oh. Okay, I gotta get back filming. I'll play with you soon, okay, Talca? I'm just about done my storm video. Just got a few more lightnings to go. Oh, I got it. Okay, I got that one.